West Mountain Radio's Energy Science Lab Kit is a special bundle of products for the beginning battery tester or involved experimenter. The CBA is a powerful general-purpose lab instrument allowing evaluation and direct comparison of various battery models, capacities, and chemistries. It will effortlessly test, record, and graphically display battery performance. The output can be easily overlaid for direct visual comparison. It can also evaluate other direct current power sources, including solar panels and power supplies. Let's take a look at what's included in the Energy Science Lab Kit. A manual containing 5 lab experiments. A user manual for the CBA. A West Mountain Radio CBA 5 computerized battery analyzer. 6-foot USB control cable. A universal battery fixture for testing AA, AAA, C, and D cells. Magnetic temperature probe for recording battery or ambient temperature conditions. 12-inch pigtail adapter for creating your own custom battery test fixtures. 40-amp test fuse and a USB flash drive containing the CBA software for Windows PCs. The USB flash drive also contains a detailed instructor's guide and student handouts for middle and high school levels. Each of the 5 experiments may be applied to one of the next-generation science standards referenced in the instructor's guide. The experiments have 3 versions. The instructor version includes all necessary tables, test results, observations, and conclusions. The student version has clear objectives and step-by-step instructions to perform each experiment. The inquiry version consists of 2-page limited directions for advanced students. These experiments are a great way to investigate battery performance. You can experiment with inexpensive alkaline or rechargeable batteries. You can also test larger and more complex batteries. With the included extended software package, your CBA's testing capability is greatly enhanced. It adds extra operating modes, constant power and resistance discharge testing, temperature monitoring, and more graphics capability. These features, combined with the standard CBA hardware, create a flexible battery test platform. It can maintain precise control over your operating conditions. West Mountain Radio's Energy Science Lab Kit allows you to measure electrical parameters such as voltage, current, and resistance. Those test results can be used to determine power capacity and energy content. Here are some suggested experiments included in the kit, but feel free to try any test you can think of. Get creative. There are so many possibilities with the CBA unit and its accessories. Experiment number 1. Are Energizer and Duracell batteries really better than generic brand batteries? Test AA batteries from different manufacturers at several price points. This will help students make future battery purchasing choices. Is a AA battery from Rayovac just as good as Duracell, Eveready, or a no-name Asian import? Which one is the best value? Experiment number 2. How does typical usage affect battery life? The chemical energy stored in a battery cell is predefined by its chemical mass. However, the instantaneous power output it's forced to provide has a big influence on the actual total energy capacity available. Explore how pulse versus continuous discharge profiles affect ampere-hours capacity. Do similar batteries produced by different manufacturers give different results? Experiment number 3. How does aging affect battery life? Primary, non-rechargeable, alkaline cells all include some type of use by date as an indication of their freshness. What happens if you use a cell that's older than its published date? Will it be totally dead, exhibit reduced capacity, or is that date just causing you to throw away perfectly good cells? Experiment number 4. What is the real energy difference between different cell sizes? Test several sizes, AAA, AA, C, and D, of non-rechargeable alkaline cells from the same manufacturer. Compare the difference in energy content of each cell. We expect larger cells will contain more energy, but is one size a better value? Experiment number 5. How does temperature affect battery performance? We know battery cells produce electrical energy via chemical reaction. Using the included temperature probe accessory, explore how temperature affects that process. Can we determine the best operating temperature range for our batteries? Energy management, conservation, and control requires a basic understanding of simple electrical concepts. West Mountain Radio's Energy Science Lab Kit provides an entertaining and educational opportunity to learn these concepts using the precision computerized battery analyzer test instrument and a variety of accessories and software features. Other available accessories you can order separately include a laptop battery cable and a battery test clamp. For more CBA videos, check out our YouTube channel or social media. If you wish to purchase the computerized battery analyzer or the Energy Science Lab Kit, feel free to visit our website or just give us a call.